Hey everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing a t-shirt that took past the due date to come, and the company said that they had to resend it. I don't know. It seems like that's their answer to every time someone left a negative review. But anyway, it came. We're gonna test it, see if it's actually as nice as the photo or if it's a knockoff. So let's try it on. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa! How did I do that? It's pure magic. So this is the shirt. It fits good, little tight, but graphics, they're nice. Silk shirt. It's definitely like silky shirt. It's not bad, as you guys can see for yourself what you think. So you guys can get your own opinion on it. Some guys rock these shirts, some guys don't, but it's not bad. It will take some getting used to the style. Normally I wear just cotton shirts, so it's not bad. It does run a little tight though, so versus some of my other shirts, but you know, I would say it runs kind of like Hollister and Abercrombie and all those. So they run tighter. So it's not like your Walmart shirt, large or whatever size you get. It's more of like a name brand shirt, which are normally tighter. I like it. Yeah,